Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why Litecoin can get above the $85 mark in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video by first sharing my Elliot wave analysis here on the charts, where you can see that after seeing the low on the 14th of June at around the $70.87 mark, Litecoin continued gearing up to the upper side, where we peaked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $115 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, and that target area lies between the $98.3 mark and the $80.46 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And all these played out after we saw the Litecoin halving, when we saw this massive breakdown into the target area, fully maximizing the target area. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming days Litecoin can continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3, which is what we expect after seeing a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, and giving you minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. The minimum target area for the third wave is at the fib level 1.618, and that is at $150.47 mark, and that is the minimum that I can expect Litecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3. And for that to play out, we also need to continue holding within this red target area, and as long as we continue holding within the red target area, expect higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And on the short term, I need to also give you my target areas, where you can see that at the time of this recording, Litecoin is trying to break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance. And a break above the 20-day MA, we can continue expecting higher prices, where we can easily see Litecoin get above the $85 mark. And maybe from that point we can continue gearing up slowly, and maybe at some point get above the $90 mark, and maybe also see a break above the $91.35 mark, which is our next key area of resistance. Also remember that as long as we continue holding within this red target area, I'm expecting higher prices. But if by any chance Litecoin sees a break below this red target area and continues seeing further breakdown, then from that point I will be checking out for a more bearish scenario here on the Litecoin chart and expect even further breakdown. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Litecoin chart on the short term and also on the long term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 43 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown, though we are seeing a massive decrease in the selling volume, suggesting that we might be able to print a bullish cross to fully support higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.